All right, we'll see you then. The Miami Police Department was at Wyandotte High School today, but they weren't investigating any crime or delivering an anti-drug lesson. KOAM's Shagun Bamadelli was there as students learned about how new technology is helping local investigators.
For the Miami Police Department, drones are served as an efficient tool in apprehending criminals.
We use them for all sorts of city functions, not just police, emergency management, fire department, code enforcement. If we roll up to a scene and we're like a missing person, we can search 5-10 acres in a matter of minutes, where it would take 5 or 6 officers an hour to do that.
Chief Anderson and the Miami drone team taught aviation students at Wyandotte High School about different types of drones, drone programs, and their uses.
I love the technology. I play games at home, so I've always been interested. My dad hunts a lot, so he uses drones at home, and I've flown some of them. He has some good drones. I've always been really interested in drones.
I like how they track things down and are able to use that technology in being able to solve crimes.
Chief Anderson tells me the drone program is more important than just his field uses.
This technology is emerging. It's an up-and-coming field, and for young aviation students, it's a great demonstration to see what it can do right now. And by the time they're graduated in the field, the capabilities will just be tenfold again. It is ever-evolving field, and just to show them what the capabilities are now and what they can get into, I think it's important to them to see what these can be used for.
In Wyandotte, Shagun Bamadelli, KOAM News.
Chief Anderson says the Miami PD drone team is the only law enforcement agency drone team in operation in northeastern Oklahoma.